pull it up. Now I'm gonna scrape the edges. See how you can see some like stuff there? It smells so good. Like some of that flour there. You need to scrape it in. Can't you see? It smells so good. I'm just gonna try it. Can I try it? Nah, I'm just gonna taste it. That tastes so good. Okay, so now we're gonna mix it. Now we're gonna pour it in here.
We gotta mix it for a little longer.
Oh yeah, I gotta mix it for a while. Thank you, Daddy. Now we're gonna mix it a little longer. Oh, thank you. Why do I always forget that part? I can't believe I do that. Ugh. So, I'm making a simple batch here. We're just making 6 cupcakes in here. Yeah, just a little batch. But if you want to make a big batch, yeah. Okay, now let's turn it off. Lock it. Pick it up. Now we're gonna grab some of it. Make sure it fills up halfway. Don't fill it up to the top or else the muffins will the cupcakes will be really puffed up, and that's bad, I think. Well, not bad, yeah. I think that's bad. Okay, now just make sure it's not too little or else the cupcakes won't be filled up all the way. What? Now we're gonna keep filling them up halfway. Okay, almost done. And done.
Those aren't filled halfway. You need to put some more in.
Okay, sorry. All of them?
Yep.
I'm sorry.
You're not doing anything wrong. I'm just telling you need to put more in.
Gosh. I'm just gonna add more. Like my dad said, it's filled halfway. Just gonna keep going until they're filled halfway. Yeah, almost done. Almost done. And done. See how they're filled up halfway? I'm just gonna put this right here. Okay, now we're gonna set this to... Okay, now I'm gonna open the oven. Then we're gonna, I think probably.
Just put them in, please.
Okay. Now I'm gonna just close it.
How long are we baking?
We're baking it for 23 to 19 minutes. Now I'm just gonna.
Nope.
Okay. Thank you for watching Let's Make, and like the video and subscribe. If we get 100 subscribers, I'll make a 6-layered unicorn cake